It's Sandy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super bubbly slime, but instead of a rainbow one, I'm going to just make a single colored one. So I used white glue. I used whatever was left of this big bottle, and then I used about 5 full bottles of the 4-ounce ones and like half of another 4-ounce one. So in total I used about 5.5 bottles of glue. Next, I'm adding hand soap. You can use any brand of hand soap, that should work. And I'm just going ham with this because I really want this to be super bubbly. Next, I'll be adding some shaving foam, but don't put too much, and just stir everything until it's smooth. Now I'm adding some color. I wanted to make mine like a lilac color, so I just added 2 drops of the purple food coloring. So next I'll be adding laundry detergent as my slime activator. A lot of you were commenting on my last bubbly slime if you could use laundry detergent as the slime activator instead of borax, and you definitely can. I use Tide. I'm pretty sure a lot of brands should work. I'm not sure which brands do not work, but as far as I know, Tide is good to go. I kind of like ran out of the other Tide laundry detergent, so I switched to this one. And you just want to keep adding it until it becomes slime. After you're done, it might be a little sticky, so you can add a little bit more of the detergent to make it not so sticky. So now you want to put it into a container with a lid and put even more shaving cream on top and squish the slime until all of the shaving foam is gone. I did this twice because I wanted this to be really bubbly. After that, you can close the lid and let it sit overnight and bubbles will come. The longer you wait, obviously, the more bubbles you will get.